Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have a challenge lock I wanted to try and pick on camera. I don't think it's going to put up a whole bunch of a fight. It's a little bit smaller than we're used to. Now, the key itself looks pretty standard. It's got a nice little bitting to it. Looks like a 5-pinner, but it is pinned by our West Coast picks, and he calls it 4-banger. I received this lock from Mr. Gantry, and it is a Connier, some shit like that. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's a little 4-pin lock. It's very small in comparison to a standard 6-pin. So yeah, definitely a smaller lock. So let's pan down here and see if we can put it in the vise to hold it. Looks like a reverse type of quick set keyway. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's too hard. Check the key out. Works the lock beautifully, like we really expect it to. Let's see if the 60 will fit it. 60 is a little bit too big. And I bet you the 50 is going to be a tiny bit too small, but it'll work. Yeah, got a little bit of flop to it, but not too much. Yep, right into it there. There we go. I don't know which way we're going to go with it. We'll go clockwise, just cuz. I'm going to use the pick I got from a good buddy, Mr. Dawes Evers. Beautiful. Looks like a walnut style, or maybe oak, along with a little cat hair. Great profile to the pick itself. Doing really good with it, considering. I don't want it to break. It's the only pick of this style that I have. Anyway, I'm gonna go in, put a little tension in it, and feel the pins. Lighten the tension a bit, and it feels like pin number 1 is gonna be my binder. Yep. Okay. Now, I'll go in and get underneath it. Get a little clicky. There's one. Oh, that was 2. 1 feels set already. And looking at the key, that's probably why it's a low cut. Back here to 3. Got a click out of it and feels set now. 4 gave us a click. Oh, we're still hung up on something. Something's not set. I'm just kind of bouncing on each one now. There's some counter. Gave us a nice false set there. 4. Deeper false set. I thought that one opened it. Alright. They're all feeling set, so I don't know. It's gotta be some trickery. Yep. It had to be a T-pin or something. Anyway, we got it open. I'm gonna put my tensioners back up, pick back up. Zoom out. Alrighty. this over there. Get my glasses are back off. Right, so let's get it open, right? All right, grab us a bedding tray. Key. And a follower. And you know what? I bet you this one worked just great. Well, not really, because of that tailpiece on it, huh? So, what is this one? Son of a gun. Almost screwed the pooch there, huh? Alright. It came out easy. Oh, we have some work here. So, looky here. The bottom number 1 is a pin and pin. No wonder this thing was tricky. Wow, we'll have to get a good close look at those. It looks like each one is going to be serrated of some sort, and maybe even spooled. There's some beautiful counter milling in there. Look at that. Not real deep, but it is definitely there. Cool. Let's see what's up top side. Tweezies. Sorry. Number 1 driver is a pin and pin. Oh wow. And my needle nose. Look at there. Wow. Here's a spool with a serration in between. These are different springs too. Number 1. Number 3 is a deep spring. I mean spool. All these are well done. Wow. He didn't skimp on that, that's for sure. Eek! Oh wow. Number 4 is another pin and pin. It looks like a T-pin pin and pin. There's the spring. And the spring in 3 doesn't want to come out. Let me grab my spring retriever. There we go. And we have threading in 4, 2, yeah, 4 and 2 have threading. Let's line these things up and take a better look at them here. It's just nutty, crazy. And different springs in each one. Boy howdy, man, if that was a 6-pinner, we would have been in deep doo. And look at that. Number 1 here is really cool because it's that pin and pin, and it's a smooth bore on the outside, but definitely a pin and pin. Awesome little pin, and the bottom one is as well. That's kind of neat. This part here being on top. That means, oh, oops, sorry. That means overset trap or waiting to happen. 2 is a cool barrel spool. Super sharp key pin. Another one here. And this one's got a heck of a catcher on it. 4 is a spooled bottom with a pin-in-pin T-pin on top. And I think this went the other way. Yes, yeah. There we go. That is some serious work on there. Awesome, awesome pin work. We know, come to expect that from West Coast Picks, so that's for sure. Alright, well, I ain't gonna waste any more time. We'll go ahead and sign off with that. Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.